This butterfly-shaped gland is about to be carefully removed. Have you ever wondered why doctors sometimes need to remove the thyroid gland? The thyroid is a small, butterfly-shaped gland located at the front of the neck. It produces hormones that help control your body's metabolism, energy levels, heart rate, and body temperature. Sometimes the thyroid becomes enlarged, develops large nodules, becomes overactive, or contains cancer. When this happens, doctors may recommend thyroidectomy surgery. The surgery begins after the patient is given general anesthesia. This means the patient is asleep and won't feel anything during the procedure. The surgeon makes a small cut across the lower front of the neck. The muscles are gently moved aside to expose the thyroid gland. Now comes the most important step. The surgeon carefully separates the thyroid gland from the surrounding tissues. Special attention is given to protecting the recurrent laryngeal nerves, which control the vocal cords, and the tiny parathyroid glands, which help regulate calcium levels in the body. The blood vessels supplying the thyroid are carefully sealed and divided to prevent bleeding. Depending on the patient's condition, the surgeon removes either one half of the thyroid or the entire gland. The surgeon carefully checks the area to make sure there is no bleeding and that the nearby structures are protected. The muscles are returned to their normal position, and the incision is closed with stitches or surgical glue. A small bandage is placed over the incision, and the surgery is complete. Most patients stay in the hospital for a short time before going home. If the entire thyroid gland is removed, the patient will need to take a daily thyroid hormone tablet to replace the hormones the gland normally makes. By carefully removing the diseased thyroid gland while protecting the nearby nerves and glands, surgeons can safely treat thyroid problems and help patients recover with a healthy future ahead.